it's Sandra, and today I am going to do my giveaway. Now, today is January the 1st, and this is actually early for me to do a giveaway. I'm always late, but I wanted to do it right away so I didn't forget. And the two plates that I'm going to give away this month are these two, and it was the ones that I just showed you that I had opened in one of my videos just recently. So the first plate I'm giving away is this one from, Uber Chic, and it's called Winter Wonderland, and this will be very nice for January and February. Love the snowflakes, and I don't want to take this apart, but that's what the pictures, the images look like on there. And then I'm also going to give away this Kads plate, and it's called Christmas 046. Another cute plate. Snowflakes and just a whole bunch of swirly stuff. I thought it was really cute. So those are the two plates I'm giving away. And I'm also giving away a stamper. And this was from the Box of Shadows. And actually somebody had won this, my last, not my last person, the person before that, but she was out of the country, and this ended up coming back to me, so I'm giving it away again. And this is the exclusive, I believe this one was exclusive. It is a round stamper, a monocle stamper, and I don't like monocle stampers. And it's got kind of a cool design on here. I don't know if you can see it really well because it's so dark. But it's got like the roses that were on the top of the box. So those are the three things I am giving away this for January. So here are the rules. You must subscribe to my channel. Okay, if you're not a subscriber, if I go through, you win, you're not a subscriber, then I just go on to somebody else. Okay, so that's number one. Number two is you have to say enter me in the comments, and you have to do it before 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, January the 31st. That's a Friday. So enter me in before that time and date. And then once I pick the winner will send me their mailing address, and I will ship this out to them. Now, if you do not live in the United States, please, I cannot ship to you. I did ship to, my last winner was actually from Canada, and I did ship to her. I don't think I'll have problems with Canada, but as of now, if you live in Canada, that's fine. You can enter the giveaway, and I'll ship your stuff. If something happens with this, and I can't ship it, or I have the same problems that I had with China and India, then I will be taking Canada off there too. So that is the rules. That is the day you've got to get your enter me in. And everybody, good luck, and thanks for watching.